We have cared for members of this community for nearly 140 years, and today we're taking another step, literally, in improving the health of South Louisville. Any of our doctors and nurses in this hospital will tell you that a body in motion is a healthier body. Walking is, and always has been, a sign that a patient's condition is improving. And it's a perfect way to take off and keep off a few pounds by getting the heart rate up. So today I'm proud to announce the beginning of our Mayor's Mile walking course here at St. Mary's and Elizabeth Hospital. The brightly marked path will make it much easier for our employees and members of this community to get moving and keep moving. Our new organization, KentuckyOne Health, is on a mission to improve the health of every resident in the Commonwealth. It's a daunting task, just here in Louisville. Luckily, we have some wonderful partners in our efforts, and I would like to introduce one of those partners today. Dr. LaQuandra Nesbitt is coming up on her one-year anniversary as Director of Louisville Metro's Department of Health and Wellness. She's a board-certified family physician, and prior to moving here, she served residents of the District of Columbia. Her work has focused on improving health outcomes for targeted populations by promoting coordination with the healthcare system and by enhancing access to prevention, medical care, and support services. I would like to introduce Dr. Nesbitt to say a few words about the Mayor's Mile program and its importance. Dr. Nesbitt.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is very exciting for us at Louisville Metro Public Health and Wellness and in Metro government more broadly. We have a tremendous commitment to ensuring that we do what we call making the healthiest choice the easiest choice, or making it a default. And when the Mayor's Miles program is just one example of how we can do that. Many people want to be physically active. They don't know how to start becoming physically active. They don't know how to mark out routes. So if they were to walk around their neighborhood, maybe they'd wear a pedometer and count some steps. Or maybe they'd invest in a very fancy pedometer that would count a host of things. But we find a quick and easy solution is to create partnerships that help to promote the Mayor's Miles program. And what the Mayor's Miles program is we partner with local government entities such as Metro Parks and local businesses, especially those who have large campuses, and we designate a mile as a walking route that has a clearly marked start, and then every 1/10 of a mile along the way, you'll see a little round circle. There's one close there to the pedestrian crossing sign, and there's one as soon as you cross the street there, you can see another icon on the ground there. That marks 1/10. You'll count 10 of those, and that will be your mile. If you walk a 15-minute mile, 4 miles per hour, you can really burn, depending on what size you are and how active you are when you first start walking, you can burn up to anywhere from 50 to 100 calories. So think about that as being a little bit of added benefit if you wanted to eat more, or if you were trying to lose weight, 50 to 100 calories that you could lose just by walking. So this has been a remarkable program, and we furthermore applaud the entire KentuckyOne family for its commitment to worksite wellness. We know, similar to focusing on improving policies in school settings to ensure that our children have healthier lives, we should ensure good policies in our work sites and our workplaces so that employees and adults can have a healthy lifestyle. And programs like Mayor's Miles on the campus, which I'm sure will come with a host of walking clubs, and you'll see many people using this trail over the next, hopefully, several years, but over the next several months while it's extremely popular, and getting clubs together and being able to promote some wellness here. So we've got a challenge already from KentuckyOne regarding the downtown campus to make sure that the Mayor's Miles that's going to be there will be smoke-free. And we want to stand up to that challenge. So if there's any way that we can help to assist this great community-based hospital in terms of helping to meet not just the needs of its employees, but the needs of the community as it relates to prevention and wellness, we stand ready to assist in any way possible. So thanks a lot for having us here today, Jim.
We're also privileged to have a group from our state and county government, and I'd like to go ahead and introduce our first state senator. Perry Clark's going to be here. Perry? Thank you, Jim.
I know it's difficult for you that don't know me, but I'm down about 15 pounds, and all I've done is added some walking to my routine. Thank you very much. I've got a long way to go, but I have done that. We know that physical activity is good for your body, it's good for you physically, it's good for you mentally. And when you add amenities like this to a community, it helps people, it encourages people to get themselves up off that couch and to free themselves from that TV set. We know that it's good to be physically active. I appreciate Jewish St. Mary's and their commitment to this community all these years. I appreciate the new administration, Mayor Fisher, and them being committed to the Mayor's Mile. And let's walk. Thank you.
And now I'd like to invite our state representative, Mike Nemes, to come up. Mike?
Thank you for allowing me to come today. And this shows not just for the health of our citizens in the South End, but it shows St. Mary's Hospital's commitment to our community to stay here. With our new power plant, millions of dollars they put into that, the new heart program that they have here, and they're going to expand that, right, Jim? And also their emergency room, and I think in August they're going to expand that. So it shows the commitment of the hospital to our community, and we thank them for that.
Thanks, Mike. Unfortunately, we're going to have Councilwoman Mary Ann Butler was supposed to be here, but she is, like a lot of us, are working on our budgets, and she's taking care of that business for us downtown. But we do have Vicki Aubrey Welch here from Metro Council, who's also a member of the Mayor's Healthy Hometown Leadership Team. And she brought a friend.
We work as a team out here on the Metro Council for the South End, and this is Rick Blackwell. I'm Vicki Aubrey Welch. I'm also a registered nurse, and I worked here at St. Mary's for about 10 years in 2 5-year different hunks of time, but mostly in surgery, so I didn't get to know a lot of the people in the hospital. So this is very near and dear to my heart with the Mayor's Miles here, and I don't live very far, so I can actually use it as a neighbor. And also, I'm on the Mayor's Healthy Hometown Leadership Team since I am a nurse. Dr. Nesbitt graciously invited me to be on the Mayor's Leadership Team. So these are the kinds of things that we want to have all over our area. And thankfully, you all have this. I think it's great for the employees to be able to come out and walk on their off time. And I wish it had been here when I was here back in the olden days, in the 70s. But, you know, it's great to have. It's always great to be healthy. And thank you, Jim, for inviting me today. Mary Ann she is our chair of budget. This is her district. But she, you know, as you all may or may not know, we are going to vote on Thursday on the budget. So she is working hard every day to get every little penny in there that we can get. So, Rick, did you want to say anything?
I don't think I can add any more than that. Vicki Aubrey Welch has always done a great job of promoting the healthy lifestyle in our community, and we try to follow her lead on the council. And so I'm proud to be here today with her, and very, very thankful for St. Mary and Elizabeth for all of your commitment to the South End. We really appreciate it. Our constituents really appreciate your efforts, and thank you for being here for us.
This truly is a government-community partnership, and I want to invite part of our community here. Our wellness committee does just a fabulous job, and they're led by two ladies that make us all fitter, make us all healthier, and soon to make us all smoke-free. So I want to invite Michelle Eckert and Deanna Hall to come up, please. And you all are going to help us cut the ribbon. All right.